Hello, welcome back to Englinity. My name is Alex. I am very happy to see you today. Today is day 5 of our 30-day English challenge. You are still here. That is very good. Today, we will learn how to talk about our hobbies. A hobby is something you like to do in your free time. For example, reading books, listening to music, watching movies, playing games. Today's key sentences: I like. Sometimes when someone asks me, what do you like? I feel a little nervous. That feeling is normal. Today, we will practice slowly and clearly. If you enjoy learning English like this, please like this video and subscribe to Englinity. Now, take a deep breath. Relax. Let's begin. Today's lesson. I am thinking, what do I like to do in my free time? I like reading. I like reading books. I say it slowly. I like reading. Now you try. I like reading. Good. Reading is my hobby. A hobby is something we enjoy. Now, let's try another one. I like music. I like listening to music. Say it slowly with me. I like listening to music. Good. Sometimes I listen to music in the morning. Sometimes I listen to music at night. Music makes me feel calm. Now, think about yourself. What do you like? Maybe you like movies. I like movies. I like watching movies. Say it slowly. I like watching movies. Very good. Watching movies is fun. I feel happy when I watch movies. Now, listen carefully. I like. This sentence is very important. We use it to talk about hobbies. I like reading. I like music. I like movies. Simple. Clear. Now, say it one more time. I like. Good. Now, let me think again. In my free time, I like playing games. I say it slowly. I like playing games. Now you try. I like playing games. Good. Playing games helps me relax. Relax means to feel calm. Now, another hobby. I like cooking. I like cooking food. Say it slowly. I like cooking. Good. When I cook, I feel happy. I feel proud. Now, listen carefully. We can add feelings. I like cooking because it makes me happy. Say it slowly. I like cooking because it makes me happy. Very good. Now, one more hobby. I like walking. I like walking in the park. Say it with me. I like walking in the park. Nice. Walking is quiet. Walking is peaceful. I think to myself, I like simple hobbies. Now, think about you. What do you like? Reading? Music? Games? Cooking? Walking? Say one sentence. I like. Good job. Now, imagine this. I meet a new person. The person asks me, what do you like? I think for a moment. Then I answer, I like reading. Say it slowly. I like reading. Good. Now, the person asks again, what do you like to do? I answer, I like watching movies. Say it slowly. I like watching movies. Very good. Now, listen carefully. What do you like? This is a common question. We hear it many times. Now, practice answering. I like music. I like listening to music. Say it again. I like listening to music. Good. Sometimes I feel shy, but when I practice, I feel confident. Now, let's practice together. What do you like? Pause. Say your answer. I like. Good. Now, another example. I ask myself, what do I like? I answer, I like walking. I like walking in the morning. Say it slowly. I like walking in the morning. Nice. Talking about hobbies is easy. You are doing very well. Now, let's learn a little more. Sometimes we like more than one thing. For example, I like reading and listening to music. Say it slowly. I like reading and listening to music. Good. Now, another example. I like movies and playing games. Say it slowly. I like movies and playing games. Very good. Now, listen carefully. We can say, I like simple things. Simple means easy and not difficult. Say it slowly. I like simple things. Nice. Now, sometimes we talk about time. For example, I like reading at night. Say it slowly. I like reading at night. Good. Another one. I like walking in the morning. Say it slowly. I like walking in the morning. Very nice. Now, listen to this sentence. In my free time, I like watching movies. Say it slowly. In my free time, I like watching movies. Good. Now, think about your free time. What do you like? Say one sentence. Slowly. I like. You are doing great. Now, it is your time to practice. Listen first. I like reading. I like listening to music. I like watching movies. I like playing games. Now, repeat after me. Slowly. I like reading. I like listening to music. I like watching movies. I like playing games. Very good. Now, let's practice with feelings. I like reading because it is relaxing. Say it slowly. I like reading because it is relaxing. Good. Another one. I like music because it makes me happy. Say it slowly. I like music because it makes me happy. Nice. Now, think about yourself. What do you like? Say it out loud or in your mind. I like. Good. Now, I talk to myself. I can speak English. I can say what I like. I am learning every day. Say it slowly. I am learning every day. Very good. You are improving. Now, let's learn a few more ways to talk about hobbies. This will make your English more natural. Extra hobby phrases. I like reading books. Say it slowly. I like reading books. I like listening to music. Slowly. I like listening to music. I like watching movies. Say it slowly. I like watching movies. I like playing football. I like playing football. I like cooking food. I like cooking food. Adding time or place. We can also add when or where we do the hobby. For example, I like reading in the evening. I like reading in the evening. I like listening to music at night. I like listening to music at night. I like walking in the park. I like walking in the park. Mini self-talk practice. Alex thinks, what do I like? I like reading. I like music. I like walking. Now, think about you. Say your hobbies slowly. I like. Key tip. Always start with I like, then add your hobby. This is simple and easy. It works every time. Now, let's slow down and review everything we learned today. You did very well. Key phrases, recap, slow repetition. I like reading. I like listening to music. I like watching movies. I like playing games. I like cooking food. I like walking. Mini practice, self-talk. Now, you talk about your hobbies out loud or in your mind. Alex thinks, I like reading. I like music. I like watching movies. I like playing games. I like walking. Now, you try. Say your hobbies slowly. I like. Very good. Daily practice advice. Practice every day. Even one sentence is enough. Speak slowly. Think about your hobbies. Say them with confidence. Mistakes are okay. Practice helps you improve. 30-day English Challenge reminder. This is day 5 of our 30-day English Challenge. You are making progress every day, step by step. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep practicing. If this lesson helped you, please like this video. Subscribe to Englinity so you can continue learning English slowly, day by day with me, Alex. Tomorrow, on day 6, we will learn how to talk about your daily routine. Thank you for learning English with me today. Speak slowly. Practice every day. Enjoy your hobbies. See you tomorrow. Bye.